When bringing your car to a mechanic, make sure he's inspecting all these fluids: the engine oil, the tranny oil, coolant, power steering fluid, brake fluid, washer fluid, your gear oil. Make sure he's checking the condition, leaks, and the level of each fluid. Now, the reason why we check the condition, the leaks, and the level, all of these can cause premature failure of certain components. Now, the two most important fluids are going to be the engine oil and the tranny oil. Bad condition engine oil or transmission fluid can cause internal damage. Leaks is closely followed by the level, so a major leak will cause the level to be really low, and that could also cause internal damage and premature failure. So make sure the mechanic lets you know which leaks need to be addressed immediately and which ones can wait. Now, you shouldn't be topping off any of these fluid except for the washer fluid as you're using it. If you're having to top off the other mains fluid, then you should address the leak and fix it correctly. Topping off the fluids won't make the problem go away. And as a side note, do not top off your brake fluid reservoir. The level of the brake fluid helps to indicate the conditions of your brake pads. If you guys are interested in purchasing this highly detailed inspection sheet, the link will be in the pinned comment.